It's summer, it's hot, I'm hot, and my arms are getting burned, but no longer with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, out in the hot sun, getting a little shade underneath these birch trees here. And one of the problems that I've had all summer long here is that my arms, even though I've put on some sunscreen sometimes I haven't, sometimes I've been in the car, they are getting a lot of sun. And it's not just like getting burned. I mean, first of all, you can see my little farmer tan here. Woo! That is pasty and that is dark, toasty right there. And that just shows you how much sun I'm getting, even though I'm sitting inside most of the days. But one of the things that I have noticed here is that, you know, it starts to get annoying, it starts to hurt a little bit, but you might be able to see this. It's super dry skin. Even if I moisturize it, it's just kind of cooking my arms. And I thought, well, it's probably not good for your health long term, but what can I do? You know, it's not that easy to always have sunscreen or put it on. And then I saw these like puffy arm sleeve things that gardeners wear, and I was like, those look really stupid, but the idea is really smart. And then I found these. Now, this is not the only brand. This is like Beister or something like that. Good, better, Beister. That's what it says. I'm not kidding. And these are like arm sleeves, but they look cool. Like you are working out almost. So these arm protectors, and what's cool about these is that they don't just look cool, but they also provide some UV protection. So this one actually comes with 3 in here, and you can get them in different colors. And I will show you. Ooh, they kind of just looks like long socks, and they're pretty light. And what I liked about them is, 1, they don't look as funny as those puffy ones for gardeners. 2, they would hug your skin. So if you're doing something, moving around, working on a car, working out in the yard, you're not going to have something that's hanging off and maybe gets caught on things. And, you know, because they seem like they're tight, almost like tube socks, they're going to show off these massive pythons right here. All right. What's also funny here is that it says fashion. It's like stamped, like an ink stamp on there. But I don't know what this material is. Spandex or something. Quite soft. I mean, it has like a silky nylon feel. But on the tighter end right here, we have a little hole right there, and I think your thumb is going to go through there. So this thing should cover, you know, actually most of your hand as well. So a little bit larger end right here. I'm just going to slide my arm through. We'll do a little installation here. And the thing I like about this is you can have a set of these in your garage, in your car, in your glove box, center console. And so honestly, if I was going to drive a long distance and I've noticed that my arms start collecting a lot of the sun, you know, you can just have these in the car and you don't have to worry about putting on sunscreen and getting messy and trying to do that. You can just throw these on there just like this. It's that simple. And then you can take them off wherever you're going. So maybe you're going to work and you don't want greasy arms going into the office. I like my arms greasy going into the office though, but that's more of just baby oil to give me a nice shine when I get in there so people know what's up. But look at these, man. All right. Look pretty good. And the white color here, which is intentional on my part, I thought would not retain a lot of heat, so it won't bake my arm. It'll kind of reflect off some light. But now I've got my arms kind of covered. Like I said, it's not SPF 500 or anything, but a little UV protection, a little bit of blockage from the sun in a convenient form factor that makes me look like a superhero now. I think is going to keep me healthier, safer, and more comfortable this summer. So if you want to pick up a set of these for your arms, you know, put them on your legs too if you want. I might just do that. Men in tights, baby. Then I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.